Now another operation we have to do is the geometrical operation. So in the geometrical operation we have to do the rotation of an image and also to translate an image of a fine translation of the image. Now this particular code is to rotate the image. Now to rotate the image I am using a function, a user defined function of the rotate image. So in this, first of all I am creating the center of the rotation. So in the center of a rotation I am using the numpy array to find the center of the image and converting it in the tuple. And then once we got the image center, we have to find the rotation matrix. So to find the rotation matrix, I'm using the get rotation matrix to the function of the CV. And then once we have got the matrix, then we have to create the result. So for the result, we have to wrap affine here. So it will get rotated, and the argument of the functions are the image that we want to get rotated and the angle at which we want it to get rotated. So the angle should be in degree. So here I'm reading the image, then this is to show the original image. Then I am calling the function rotate image with the angle giving 45 degree. Now let me run it. So this is what we are getting. So this one is the original, and this one is the rotated image, and this one is the code for the affine translation. So in the affine translation I am just reading the image, and then just calculating the source and destination points for the translation, and then I'm just using the defined function, the get affine transform function, to find the affine matrix here, and then to create the output images of the output image of the matrix. So here this is the IMSO function. So this one is the input image, the original image that we are getting, and then the transformed affine it should be translated image. Let me run it. So this is the image. So this one is the original image, and this is a fine translated image. Thank you.